Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel where we break down creative business ideas that can actually put money in your pocket. Today, we're discussing a business model that's generating $800 in daily revenue with minimal staff, consistent service quality, and return on your capital within 8 months. Let me introduce you to next-gen robotic massagers. A very few people and companies actually know about this technology, and those who know about it are generating solid profits, and their calendars are booked consistently. This is not your typical mall massage chair or the cheap gym back rub machine. We are talking about next-level AI wellness tech. They scan your body, analyze muscle tension, and deliver a customized massage based on your individual needs. Here's what they can do: 3D body mapping, adaptive AI algorithms, robotic arms with heated nodes, 20 pounds of pressure per square inch. Sessions that improve over time as the AI learns your preferences. The technology is actually insane when you drill down more into it. As mentioned before, these next-gen robotic massagers use 3D body scanning to create a digital map of your physique. Then AI algorithms determine the optimal pressure points, massage techniques, and duration based on your specific needs. Some models even track your biometric data during the session to adjust intensity and focus areas dynamically. Meanwhile, traditional massage parlors are dealing with staffing shortages, high wages, and the fact they can only handle one client per therapist at a time. The reality is that most people can't even book a massage when they really need it, because traditional massage parlors and SPAs are limited with time and staffing. Now imagine getting a high-quality, consistent massage 24/7, and all you have to do is simply book the time and day you want, and just walk in and enjoy your session. And that's where exactly this business opportunity comes in handy. These units can handle Swedish, deep tissue, and sports massages with accuracy and precision rivaling seasoned therapists. And because the AI remembers you, it learns exactly how to work your muscles better each time. You literally tell the machine what you want and how you want it. Now, if we look at the demographics driving this growth, Millennials and Gen Z are wellness-obsessed but time-poor. They want convenience, consistency, and they're comfortable with technology. These are the same people who order everything through apps and expect 24/7 availability. Traditional spas and massage parlors simply can't meet these expectations. Before we get into the business plan numbers, make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button, because you don't want to miss the next money-making idea I'm going to share. The numbers are pretty compelling when you break them down. Let's say a traditional massage therapist might handle 6 to 8 clients maximum per day and will cost you anywhere from $40,000 to $60,000 a year in salary plus benefits. The next-gen robotic massagers can handle up to 16 sessions per day, operate consistently without sick days or vacation time, and the only ongoing costs are electricity and maintenance. But what really makes this business idea brilliant is scalability. You can't clone your best massage therapist, but you can definitely install more units as you grow your business. No hiring headaches, no training programs, no HR drama. The global massage equipment market is projected to hit $15.7 billion by 2027. But this AI robotic massage arms represent less than 2% of that market right now. We're literally at the iPhone moment of the massage industry. All right, let's break down the business plan. Now, you can pre-order this product from Chinese manufacturers who are selling these units starting around $17,900, but you can always negotiate and set up a payment plan directly with the manufacturer. The average session price in the market ranges from $50 to $80, with premium locations charging even more. Now, let's say you price your sessions at $50 for a 30-minute massage. With an 8-hour operating day, you could potentially accommodate 16 sessions per single use of the next-gen robotic massagers, generating $800 in daily revenue at full capacity. Even at 60% occupancy, which is realistic for a high-demand traffic location, you're looking at about $15,000 monthly revenue per unit. Factor in your overhead costs: rent, utilities, minimal staffing, maintenance, and marketing, and you're still looking at a payback period of 5 to 8 months. Now let's dive into the logistics. This is where it's different from traditional spas. You don't need a luxury location. You're not competing on candles and music. You're competing on convenience and tech. Shopping malls, airports, corporate office buildings, fitness centers, and even hotels are perfect locations. People want quick, effective treatments during their existing routines. A 20-minute stress relief session between flights, or a recovery massage after hitting the gym, or simply a 30-minute massage during your lunch break goes a long way, and most importantly, it's convenient, quick, and effective. Running this business is fundamentally different from traditional service businesses. Your biggest operational advantage is consistency. Every client gets the exact same quality experience every single time. Maintenance is straightforward and predictable. Most manufacturers provide comprehensive service packages, and the technology is designed for minimal downtime. You're not dealing with employee scheduling, payroll complexities, or the constant training that comes with high-turnover industries. Customer data collection is another massive advantage that traditional massage businesses can't match. This AI technology generates detailed analytics about usage patterns, popular time slots, client preferences, and treatment effectiveness. This data becomes incredibly valuable for optimizing pricing, scheduling, and even expanding to additional locations. You could target the budget-friendly wellness market, offering quality massages at prices traditional spas can't match. Or focus on convenience, positioning your business in high-traffic areas where people need quick stress relief. Corporate contracts represent another business opportunity, becoming the preferred wellness solution for office buildings and business parks. The key is not trying to compete with luxury spas on ambiance and human connection. You're offering something completely different. Consistent, convenient, technology-driven wellness solutions for people who value efficiency and results over traditional expensive spa experiences. What's really exciting about getting into this business opportunity now is that the AI technology is advancing rapidly, but we're still in the early adoption phase of this type of the business idea. AI capabilities, sensory feedback systems, and customization options are improving constantly, which means your equipment becomes more valuable over time through software updates. Integration with health apps, wearable devices, and telemedicine platforms is just the beginning. Imagine this AI technology that can analyze your Apple Watch data and customize treatments based on your stress levels, sleep patterns, and physical activity. This isn't fantasy, it's already in development. Next-gen robotic massagers fit perfectly into this trend, offering affordable, regular wellness sessions that people can easily integrate into their routines. The numbers work, the technology exists, and the market demand is out there waiting for your move. Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more big money business ideas coming up next.